I've been waking up today. it's but I was so tired yesterday I couldn't wake up. So I just got up. I've been up though, but I'm in bed. But the workers are at the side. I understood many people with different cars are at the side. And I got a call. Where are you? So I have the kitchen person, the air condition, the kitchen, the electrician and the plumber coming to the side this morning. So I'm getting ready. I just finished taking a shower. I'm getting ready to meet them. I will be picked up by the electrician in the car. He's a very good friend of mine. So I'm going to be beaten up today. See the big car he's driving. See him. See his face. See his face. That's my boss. That's my boss. And then he's been showing up, guys. So you all talk to him. That is Isaac, my very old time friend who abandoned me. And he's also my wonderful electrician. So if you are planning to go into real estate in Ghana, I have the, Baumia said, where the NPP said we have the men. Listen, at the end of the day, they're proving they don't. I do. So trust me for your work. I got the man. See how handsome he is this morning. See, what are you begging for? What are you begging for? Are you not handsome? See the head. Guys, he's single though. He's very, very single, but he has 2 boys, okay? So if you're coming on board, no, he has 2 boys and 1 girl. So just know. But money no be problem, guys. Money no be problem. So hurry up and come on board, okay? This is me marketing my very good friend. Guys, don't think I'm crazy. I'm telling you the truth. All right? Anyway, this morning I'm supposed to be at the site by 7 a.m. But guys, I had a wonderfully crazy and busy day yesterday. So I couldn't get myself out of the bed, though I was up. So finally we are moving to the site. I'm like an hour behind because a lot of people are waiting for me. Yeah. If you want the work to go on smoothly, real estate, you got to make time to come to Ghana. Stay at the site sometime. When your money finish, you climb the flight again. Go back, make more money, and bring it back. For the men, as for the men, I got them. But you have to bring the money. He's covering his face. He like, but it's gonna be in there. As for the men, I got them, but I don't have the money there. You got to bring it on board for the skill to be applied to your field. All right. I love you guys. You'll see when we get to the site. Adios.
Yes, sir. We thank God. See some person that what you come at this?
See them? When I see them, my skin cringes. Look at that. Ew. In US, when it's springtime and stuff, you see them, but then spring and fall. But then what I do, I have a pesticide that I spray over the corners of the carpet and on the floors and stuff. Anyways, as you can see, the place is busy this morning. That's my friend Isaac. You guys know him. This one, I don't know him yet. And this one is the Tyler. He's the Tyler. This is my first time working with him. And this person here is going to be doing the cupping. So we'll see. A lot of stuff going on today. It was busy yesterday. I was busy today too. So guys, come on board and let's start the good day on a brighter note, guys. Let's start the day on a brighter note. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Take note, alright? be a busy day, guys. I'm here trying to look for appliances. So this one is LG. They said 10-year warranty. See how it is. And this how much, I don't even know how much the price is. Well, it's about 10,000 Ghana cedis. So 10,000 is about $1,000 for a refrigerator in Ghana. That's a lot of money. This one is about $5,000. For about $500. This one is 11,000. So that is how much. This is another one. Whoa, this one is 43,000 cedis. That's a lot of money. See it, guys? Oh, this is the double decker, the double 2 doors. So you have this, we have this one too in the US. You have your ice maker and your freezer. So it makes sense. So this is about, oops. So you see, so this is about $4,000, approximately $3,000 to $4,000. You get it? And this one is also, okay, I don't know this brand, but this is $12,000. So yeah, I don't know the brand.
Good morning.
But there you go. I'm not familiar with these brands. Bosch something. Where do you get the Bosch? The one that is in the in the video I showed, that brand. So air condition air is look at 13,000 cedis. That's like $10,000. That's a lot of money. Look. So this one is 6,000 cedis, about $500. This one is 12,000. That's a lot of money, as you can see. Yeah, the washing machines. We want the one with the washer and dryer together. $12-year warranty. 12-year warranty. How much is this one? This is about $4,000.
Yeah, this one is 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You go and take it back.
That's fine.
And they have some to it will completely dry.
No, the air dry is fine, I guess, because once they show on dry line on their porches, they can create their own dry lines.
Can you take the measurements? And this one?
Say you're in top brand way, Anna.
No, but we are just looking at the size.
Yeah. But
when the time comes, when the person you understand? When the person comes, we can get it. You don't be doing.
But this one is
it's what?
Strong machine.
It's a strong machine.
You take
the broom, they take broom there too. Broom.
Are you sure? So guys, it's very stressful, guys. I don't know, because I'm at the point where we have to choose appliances for installation and stuff, and I don't know. So yeah, thinking about it. Anyway, we saw some of the appliances. However, I don't know. Undecisive. I will talk to you guys later. I don't know what I'm doing. That's all I know. After all this, and then you don't have long life to enjoy your toil, then what's the point? So when you pray to God, pray for Unkwantintin. Yeah. All right. Boss, they were with our brand of, you know, that brand of appliances now.
Oh, when you can go fairly small, you can go micro, you can go where. Where they sell home dog.
Into where? How is Hisense? But that boss shows it being
Boss. What happened? Yeah, I wasn't feeling well. I was even looking for money. One of my friends sent me 3,000 when I was in the hospital before I paid my bills.
But so because I'm broke and I didn't have money to send you, that is why.
Not too broke. I wasn't feeling well.
Look at my brother. Look at how he's treating me. Alright guys, so someone is also coming. Another kitchen guy is coming.
Okay.
My ride is gone. That's Isaac going. Yeah, he's leaving. So I'm gonna take a car here to go back to the site. So let's stand at a safe location. My goodness, I broke my phone. I'm very not happy right now. Traffic.